What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. Let's first shout out my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male and alpha females in the building. You heard what I got here for y'all today. Is somewhat of a new drop from GLD. Not sure how long it's been out, but it's new to me. You know what I mean? Hopefully you like it. Comment, like, subscribe. Click the link in the description to get discounts. You know what I mean? Click the link in the description to support me and my channel. Promote if you can. Let's get my likes up. You know what I mean? I'm thinking about dropping another video on Friday just to make up for the days that I haven't dropped last week. I'm trying to do this for y'all. You know what I mean? So if y'all want to see what I got coming up, I got more stuff, a lot more stuff on the way and in the mail. So if y'all want to see what I got coming up, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, promote me, and I got some new stuff y'all might want to see. You know what I mean? So let's get to the video. What's going on YouTube? I'm back again with another one. I'm trying to step up my game because there was a couple of days last week that I forgot to drop a video. So I'm just trying to make it up for my audience. You know what I mean? Stay tuned. I got more pieces. I might drop one, maybe one more, maybe Friday, you know what I mean? Because Friday is my official launch date for videos, if y'all didn't know, Fridays and Mondays. But, you know, every now and then I get caught slacking due to personal issues. But forget all that. Scrap that to the side. Like I said in the intro, you know what I mean? What I got here for y'all today is a new piece by GLD. It might not be that new, but I know maybe only a couple of YouTubers touched on it. So I'm trying to, you know what I mean, do my part, you know what I mean? What we got here today is an 8mm, you know what I mean, baguette chain. You know what I'm saying? 8mm is one thinner one, you know what I mean? Baguette chain by GLD. Now let's get right to it. You heard. Y'all already know. Nothing different than what we already seen before. Nice gold logo. Decent to nice, excellent box. We got the pull tab box. Nothing y'all haven't seen before, but like I said, this is brand new, you know what I mean? Not even opened yet. But of course I had to open up the package, make sure everything was copacetic, you heard? You know what I mean? I got something new in today from GLD that y'all might want to stay tuned for, that I might release on Friday. You heard! But you already know, got the nice dust pouch with the GLD gold emblem. Nothing y'all haven't seen before. GLD on the zipper. They stay with their stuff, with the insignia everywhere, just so y'all know. Let's pull this out. Oh, this thing is all bent up out of shape, but it is what it is. You know what I mean? I'm going to have to probably get this right, because it was all crinkled up in the dust bag. But like I said, tell me what y'all think of this thing, man. Give me a minute so I can get it out the plastic. As y'all already know, plastic beater, plastic beater. Y'all already know the saying. Come on, guys. We ain't messing with this plastic. And these vacuum, you know what I'm saying? We know why they do it. We can't knock why these companies do it, because it's actually essentially for the protection of the piece. You heard. But this one, and I'm sure it has something to do with my gloves being intact. You know what I mean? Let's get this out this plastic. Put that plastic down 2 seconds, because you already know. Now we got some kinks due to it being shoved in that good old plastic. Let me see if I too long. You know what I mean? Look at that thing. That thing is crazy. Now let's get the haters out the way, right? Because we already know that those ain't even real diamonds, G's. Hey, yo, Stevie D, those ain't even real diamonds, G's. Why you promoting them? But like I said, for anybody that's like me, that gets the bag like I got, or even lower, you know, man, we buy what we like, you know what I mean? We don't follow trends, and that's why I call my audience alpha males, alpha females, general and generalettes. Why? Because we the leader of our own pack. You know what I mean? We don't follow trends, we set them, we wear what we want and what we can afford. But what this is right here is a 14-karat white gold plated baguette 8mm chain. You know what I mean? Look at that thing, man. This thing is crazy. You know what I mean? It's kinked up a little bit because it was stiff in the box. Like I said, forgive me. You know what I mean? I'm sure when I get it right, you know what I mean, this thing will be more decent. But I just took it out the bag. So, you know what I'm saying? Forgive me if y'all can't get perfect visuals. But it is what it is. This is the chain right here. I don't want to hold y'all too much any longer. You know what I mean? Let's put that down 2 seconds and let's read off some prices. Hey, yo, Stevie D, how much is that thing right there? That thing looking crazy. Well, you know what? I'm not going to give y'all too much of the line of the prices like I used to with the real stuff, because that's for up to y'all to go find out if y'all got that bag. But this is what I will tell you. In 14 karat white gold plating at 16 inches, it is $289. You heard? $289. At 18 inches and 14 karat white gold plating, it is $299. And at the size that I got this in, 20 inches, you know what I mean? 20 inches white gold plated, that's this size right here, is at $309. You heard? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? This thing is kind of crazy. It's shining crazy. And I don't got too many thin pieces. So I'm kind of appreciating that. Let's look at the clasp. Look at the clasp right there. Got the GLD insignia kind of blinged out like crazy. You know what I mean? And if y'all want it in 20 inches and real white gold plating, you know what I'm saying? I mean, white gold plating. Forgive me, guys. And white gold and real with diamonds, you know what I'm saying? 45,000 and 4,400. Correction. $45,400. Forgive me. You know what I mean? That's it for y'all that got that bag. If you got that bag, I ain't mad at you. Go ahead and spend it. You know what I mean? But for us regular folk that just want to shine and grind and look good on an everyday basis or whenever we go out, you know what I mean? We got the other joint. You know what I mean? But yeah, look at this thing. Let's show y'all the clasp. Y'all saw it was iced out with the GLD insignia. Take the male end into the female end, and bam. That doesn't appear to come off your neck. That doesn't appear to come off your neck. That doesn't appear to come off your neck. You heard. So it's nice and sturdy. You know what I mean? Get a little visual of them baguettes. You know what I mean? It almost looks like what you call it, the Gucci link sort of. But this is the baguette link, 8mm, 20 inches from GLD. And what I will tell you guys, let's put that down 2 seconds. You know what I mean? Is they're doing a buy one, get one right now. So if I was you guys, click my link in the description, you heard? And with my link in the description, you will get the buy one, get one. Using, I think right now they got a promotion for V-Day, but if you're new or if you're not new, you know what I'm saying, you could also use BOGO, which is BOGO, for buy one, get one, and you could also use GLD new. Click my link in the description. It helps me and my channel, you know what I mean, my affiliate link. You know what I mean? Click it. Anything y'all see that y'all like from GLD, click my link in the description and support your boy the way you should. You know what I mean? And being that this is Valentine's Day coming up, you know what I mean? With that buy one, get one, don't be selfish, fellas. Come on, man. We got to take care of our ladies. You know what I mean? We got to take care of our ladies. I ain't talking about the side chicks. You know, the side chicks, you get the candies and the flowers. For the main chick, you know what I mean? You got to drip them up and drape them out like you would do yourself. GLD also, which I failed to mention in the past, sells a female line that sells most of the same things that the males got, but maybe in smaller sizes. So y'all might want to take care of that BOGO. And you know what I'm saying? I will list the different codes at the bottom. Please use my link in the description and get your floss on. You heard. You know what I mean? Y'all heard the prices. At 20 inches, this is $309. You know what I'm saying? 5 times 14 karat gold plating. You know what I mean? Tell me what y'all think of this thing, man. Not much to say more about this thing right here. 1, 2, 3, I'm out.